Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Polygonscan API and RPC for faster confirmations. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update the Polygonscan API and RPC for faster confirmations, begin by accessing your project where the API is set up. Ensure you have the latest version of the Polygon RPC endpoint. Visit the official Polygon documentation for the most up-to-date RPC URLs. Copy the desired RPC URL for your network, whether it's mainnet, Mumbai, or another test network. Next, open your project's configuration file. Locate the section where your current RPC URL is defined. Replace the existing URL with the new RPC URL you just copied. Save the changes to your configuration file. Now, head to the Polygonscan API page. Once there, generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. Ensure your API key is securely stored for later use. In your project, find the section for API integrations. Update the previous Polygonscan API key with your newly generated key. Be sure to test the integration to verify everything is functioning correctly. Use tools like Postman or Insomnia to send requests to the new API. Check for response times to confirm faster transaction confirmations. If necessary, tweak any additional configurations. Finally, monitor your application to ensure stability with the updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.